Hi everyone, welcome back to Voice of Echo. Today's video will be on climate change. I will be going over some of the definition as well as its causes, impacts, and possible solutions. With that, I hope you all find this video informative and let's get started. So what is climate change? It refers to the increasing changes in the measures of climate over a long period of time, including precipitation, so rain, temperature, and wind patterns. Is it the same thing as global warming? Many people use these two terms interchangeably. However, global warming is just one aspect of climate change, and it refers to the rise in global temperature mainly due to the increasing concentrations of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Some of the effects of global warming include the Arctic Sea declining, sea levels rising, wildfires becoming more frequent and severe, as well as animal migration patterns shifting. So what exactly causes climate change? Some very common and prevalent causes include carbon dioxide emissions, deforestation, and other human activities. These changes continue to affect Earth's climate as more and more heat are trapped by the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Some of you may be wondering, so what is this greenhouse effect that you're talking about? In a typical greenhouse, sunlight enters and heat is retained. On a similar note, certain gases trap heat within the Earth's atmosphere, raising the global temperatures. Some of these greenhouse gases include water vapor, carbon dioxide, and methane. And the presence of greenhouse gases is highly related to human activity. When carbon and coal, oil, and natural gas is burned to generate electricity, power transportation, or provide heat, it produces CO2. Additionally, oil and gas extractions, coal mining, and waste landfills also account for 55% of human-caused methane emissions. According to the United Nations, if we don't slow global emissions, temperatures could rise to above 30 degrees Celsius by the year 2100, causing further irreversible damage to our ecosystems. So what happens if we don't do anything to stop climate change? Well, there are many things that can happen, many negative things. The global temperature will rise, melting ice sheets and thus raising sea levels. Many wildlife habitats will be destroyed and species will go extinct. The world will face global food shortages and famine as agricultural production fails to prosper, along with a limited water supply. As you can see, there are many negative consequences and long-term effects of climate change. So what can you do to stop or help slow it down? You can keep track of your carbon footprint and take actions to lower it. For instance, you can use energy-efficient products or take fewer flights. You can also use your voice and advocate for climate action to policymakers, delivering your hope to see them enact laws and policies for climate impacts. You can also talk about it with family and friends to further spread awareness. As you can see, there are many actions that individuals can take to help with the cause and work to save the planet which all of us live in. As I say, there is no planet B. Thank you so much for listening to today's video, and I hope you all learned something new today. See you guys in my next video. Bye.